Hi, hello, and good morning everyone. Newborn Investor here and welcome to my live day trading video. So today I don't see a lot of things moving in the market, but I'm hopeful that the market could give us some great opportunities as we're all here to make some money. So if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. I also do offer a free Discord chat group where I post my trade ideas before it plays out. So please feel free to check out the link in the description below. Alright, so let's see what we have for today. So as you could see here, I just do have 3 stocks in my watch list. My primary watch would be ticker BB, ticker MISO, and ticker PFE, Pfizer. So these are the 3 stocks that I will be watching into market open. The market opens in another 5 minutes, and yesterday being a red day, I would be very picky about my trades. Also, I don't see a ton of pre-market action, so I think today would be a slow day. But we'll see. So I'll pause for now and we'll see you guys at market open. So the market opens in another minute, and now Pfizer would be my primary watch. So none of the stocks that ran in pre-market are holding their levels. So I'll be extremely cautious on taking any trades. So the market is open. 40.43 would be a support level for Pfizer, approaching that level. I think it's at that level, but weakness is not what I want to see here. It's already giving up the pre-market levels. I think it's putting on a fight, but I'll wait. So 40.43, as I called out, is still holding the support. So the next support level would be around the $40.20 range. So I'll be watching. I want this first 5-minute candle to close before making any decision. Watching BB for now. Not a good sign at all. Clearly the stock was on a downtrend, and I don't want to fight the trend. I want to go with the trend, not against it. Just checking on any active stocks that I will be interested in. So as you could see here, most of the active stocks are on the negative territory. So today is not going to be a good day to be on the markets. So I think for now I would go back to the stocks on my watch list. I'm looking at MISO here, lack of volume, a little over 106,000. Not interested. So Pfizer is back on the game, so I may be interested. So as I called out, the support, hold it. I don't want to be the buyer of the top here. So I'm interested in 50 shares in case it wants to give me an entry around 65. But I'll wait. Maybe I'll lose the trade, but that's fine. I don't want to force the trade. Switching to BB for now. No setup as of yet. Looks like it wants to go without me, but that's okay. I'll be interested if the stock wants to give me a pullback to $40.65 area. So Pfizer is on a roll. Yeah, it's breaking the pre-market high. So 50 shares, 40.72 would be where I'll be interested. Just placing an order out there. Looks like on Pfizer, I may be left behind. This 5-minute candle that is forming looks interesting to me. It shows weakness and probably we are due for a pullback. So the $40.80 area holding firm. Maybe I'll miss my entry, but I'll wait for this 5-minute candle to close. Yeah, got filled. I will have my second ad. Let me not make any mistakes as of yesterday. So my second ad would be around the 40.45 or 40.50 area. I think that would be the support based on the new levels. 40.38, sorry. So I'll mark the support as 40.45 for now. So I'll just in case if I want to get my second ad, I'll place it around 40.49 maybe. Because it may try to retest the $50 range. It's a great company. We have positive news. So it's a completely stress-free trade for me. Wish I got my second ad as well. But the low of this candle is $40.54. So my second order was 5 cents away. I wish I got the second ad. Had I got the second ad, I would be comfortable with exiting now. With just 50 shares, I don't have enough skin in the game. But I'm also mindful about the state of the market. Just placing a third order around the $40.24 range. So that would be my third ad. Just on 50 shares. Probably I'll get my second ad here. So now I'm in 100 shares at an average price of $40.61. So you could see here the average price of my position is $40.61 on 100 shares. So volume is lacking. That's the only thing that's missing. That's concerning, but so clearly $40.60 being the resistance now. I'll just put an exit for now, 78, just in case to be green on the day. So with 75 breaks, I think I would easily get an exit. So again, it's tipping it down. I'm watching closely. For just a minute, I thought I got the exit. Yeah, I got the exit. I'm out of the trade. Now probably it's going to go without me. This is exactly what you have to battle every day as a trader. When you exit, you see the stock going against you. And have you stayed longer in the trade, probably the stock would go against you. But as long as you exit, it would go above your exit price. That's the kind of mental battle you have to face every day as a trader. I think on a slow day, it's good to be green. I would take what the market gives and be happy with it. So on the day, I made $17.40, not a big profit, but green is always good. I've been in the trade for almost 15 minutes and 15 minutes close to $18. I would take it and I'll not complain. So after I closed my recording, I went on to close one of my swing positions on HCAC. So on the swing position, I made $75. And with that, I'm almost up $92 on the day. And that wraps up my trading for the day. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. And until then, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye.